Hello and welcome back to Decode's Frappe Developer tutorial. From last video we have seen the different events used in server-side scripting, and in this video I will show you how to fetch the values from different doc types and how to set the values to different doc types. But before that we need to change this child doc to normal doc type. Now the child document is a submittable document, so I am changing that into a normal doc type. Let's open child doc type and uncheck this is submittable, and I am adding a naming series to this document based on child doc name. So let's add this and click on save. Then go to child doc list and create a child doc, give a name Jerry and click on save. And here we can see the name Jerry as the document name. So if you open the child doc list, we can see the name Jerry. Okay, let's open VS Code and start programming. I'm removing the pass. We can use this method frappe db.getValue to fetch the field names values from other documents. So we need to pass three arguments, and first is doc type, then the doc type name, and then field name. So here I am going to fetch the first name and last name from parent document, and the parent document name is Anu. So for that I am creating a new function, and the function name is getValue. Then I call this method frappe db.getValue, and my doc type is parent doc, and my document name is Anu, and I already created this Anu document in parent doc type, and I am fetching the first name and last name. So I am using two variables, first name and last name, for storing this data. And then I am going to print that first name and last name using a message printing function, and this is the format. And here I am passing the two names, first name and last name, into this string. Next we have to call this getValue function in an event. So here I am using a validate event to call this getValue function. So this is how I am calling this getValue function in validate event. And we know that the validate event will trigger when we save the document. So let's comment this line and save this. And I am explaining one more time this method, and this is the method frappe.db.getValue, and this will return the values of the fields which is present in parent document. So this first name and last name are the fields of parent document, and we already created one doc type in parent document and which contain a first name and last name. So this entire function will return the values of first name and last name. So I am using two variables to store the values. Then I am printing that first name and last name using a message printing function. So to call this method I am using a validate event, and this event will trigger when we save the document. So let's save this and check whether it is working or not. So I am creating a new doc type. Let's give a name Jake and click on save. And here we can see the message, the parent first name is Anu and last name is Jos. So I am opening one more tab and open parent doc list and open Anu, and here we can see the first name is Anu, and which is same as the document name, and last name is Jos. So let's verify it one more time. I am adding some values here and click save. You can see the message, the parent first name is Anu and last name is Jos. Next I am going to show you how to set values into a doc type. So for set a value into a doc type, we can use this method frappe.db.setValue. We need to pass some arguments, and the arguments are doc type name, then the document name, then next thing is the field name. So which field we need to update, and the value. Here also I am creating a new function, and the function name is set value. Then and I am calling that method frappedb set value, and here I am setting the parent document Anu, and I am changing the last name to Jane. So initially the last name was John, I think it is John, and now I am changing it to Jane. Here also I am calling this set value method inside a validate event. So let's create a validate event and call the set value method. Let's comment this and save it. So I'm creating a new document. So before save, let's verify what is the last name present in parent document Anu. So here we can see the last name is Jose, and let's go back to child doc and click on save. Now the validate event will trigger and it will set the last name into Jane. Okay, let's refresh it, and now we can see the last name is changed into Jane. Okay, this is how we can set a value into a field of other doc type. Okay, this is it from this video, and see you on the next video. Bye.